हेलो एंड वेलकम गेड़ी मारो में आपका एक बार फिर से स्वागत है। मैं हूं सिड एंड विद मी इज शिवम फ्रॉम द कॉर्निया इंप्रेशन।
हेलो, व्हाट्स अप, हाउ आर यू?
एवरीथिंग इज गुड, आई एम गुड। क्या हाल चाल?
बाल बाल बना दिए?
एकदम अच्छे से।
चकाचक लग रहा है ना?
अच्छे पे आ गया, बाल बाल बना गया।
मुझे भी बोल देते, मैं भी कंघी ले आता था। कि
टेंशन नहीं लो, आप ऐसे ही अच्छे लग रहे हो। शेरा दे मुंह तुले तुलाए होंगे ने।
मतलब
शेरों के मुंह धुले धुलाए होते हैं।
हाँ, ये बात
वैसे
सही बोली।
पंजाबियों की सही सही।
हाँ, ये बात
शिवम पंजाबी इसीलिए।
भाई हम तो अभी पैदाइशी शेर है।
Alright, so welcome एक बार फिर से and this is the show जहाँ पे it's all about cars and car culture साथ के साथ what is happening in the automobile world. So what are we starting off with?
तो ऑब्वियसली इट्स बीन अ बिजी वीक विद द रेन
Correct?
एंड हमें हर बारिश के पहले हमें इन्फॉर्मेशन आ जाता है कि बारिश पड़ने वाली है. Try to avoid the outdoors,
Yep.
go to work, go to your normal things, but don't go off-roading, don't go into the wadis,
True.
don't do stuff that will get you in
Trouble.
trouble.
Or in
Correct.
water.
और in water. हमारे हमारे दोस्त लोग कभी कभी सुनते नहीं है ना हमारी बातें, तो उनके लिए एक स्पेशल फीचर बनाया है दुबई पुलिस ने,
Hmm.
इन द दुबई पुलिस ऐप.
So if just in case आपकी गाड़ी weather की वजह से कहीं पे भी फंस गई, तो फिर on the Dubai Police app you can simply log on to and you can get a certificate which is called the to whom it may concern.
हाँ.
That's the certificate you need
ओके.
insurance claim लेने के हिसाब से.
हाँ.
And that certificate you can only get through the app of Dubai Police.
ओके, टाइटल टू whomsoever it may concern,
Correct.
एंड वो आप इंश्योरेंस को दे सकते हो.
वो आप इंश्योरेंस को दे
हाँ.
सकते हो. There's a nominal fee of 100 dirhams
हाँ.
जो you can pay and you can get it online.
तो अगर आपको जरूरत पड़े तो प्लीज यूज करना. आई होप आपको जरूरत नहीं पड़े, दैट इज द बिगेस्ट कैवियट ओवर हियर.
Yeah, really, really hope so. But continuing forward, when we are talking about Dubai, तो फिर एक number plate
अरे यार, तो डिड यू
Vicky?
डिड यू सी दैट वीडियो ऑफ मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इंटीरियर,
No, which one?
the one which they were talking about the drones getting shot out, and it
Okay.
was officially on their channels.
Saying what?
So basically the UAE Air Force pilots flying the aircraft and the helicopters, whenever they would spot a drone,
Hmm.
they would shoot it down and say target destroyed.
Right.
Okay, which was a very cool video and very informative to see how the the armed forces are in action to protect us.
Right.
At the same time, somebody on TikTok
Hmm.
took that audio
हाँ.
and made a remix out of it.
Okay.
There were certain people who then there were certain people who decided that they should make a sticker out of this
Okay.
for the cars.
Hmm.
So they took the remix audio
Hmm.
and they put an F-16 and they wrote target destroyed, and they started sticking it on their cars
Where?
in the UAE.
Okay.
Okay, so all over TikTok. So it was on pickup trucks, on patrols, on all the off-roading cars. Okay.
Right.
And so it was F-16 with target destroyed with the remix audio.
Okay.
ठीक है. तो एक बंदा जिसके पास में F1116 नंबर प्लेट है दुबई का, decided to sell his plate. Do you want to guess the amount?
How much?
340,000 dirhams.
He sold it.
He put it up for sale. The guy, the website or the Instagram page selling that,
Huh.
put up a picture of the F-16 with F11116 and AED 340,000 dirhams. And then somebody went and actually bought that plate and put up a video on Instagram saying that he bought the plate. मतलब चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, नंबर प्लेट तो दिखनी चाहिए भाई.
Very good. Very,
It
very
is
nice.
as Dubai as it gets.
This is as Dubai as it gets.
तो anybody who's thinking कि कुछ हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है दुबई में, ये जाके बताइए.
All right. So moving on, let's talk about what is happening in the world of motorsport.
We know that Franz Hermann, क्या नाम था उसका?
हाँ.
Franz Hermann है ना?
Correct.
Which is aka Max Verstappen, was supposed to race in the 24 hours of the Nürburgring
Correct.
with an AMG GT3
Correct.
racing car, Red Bull branded.
Hmm.
They won, obviously.
सब कुछ उन्होंने निपटा दिया उसके अंदर. सब कुछ एकदम
Correct.
खिचड़ी बना दिया वो पूरी.
They were so quick that they beat everybody else by a minute, if I'm not mistaken,
Right.
which is a big number in motorsports.
Correct.
But
But there is a but.
there is a but.
What?
उसको disqualify किया गया
Q is the question.
because they are allowed to use only 6 sets of tires
In the
Yeah.
whole 24 hours.
in the race,
Hmm.
and they used 7.
ये
They-
कौन था जो इसके ऊपर में ध्यान नहीं दे रहा था?
I think they were so busy in the qualifying and in the practice and
हाँ.
the race, they had ध्यान नहीं दिया और डाल दिया उसमें. नौकरी
तो कोई ना कोई तो ये मुंशी जी है जिसकी नौकरी गई
100%, 100%. वो तो है ही है.
हाँ.
But I think now they will definitely put a system in place where they'll be able to calculate how many sets of tires.
Or just keep 6 sets of tires. Don't put a 7th one only.
भाई दूसरा कोई रूल रेगुलेशन कैविएट होएगा जिसके लिए उन्हें 7वां पैर रखना पड़े या एक्स्ट्रा रखना पड़े.
अरे जब कंफ्यूजन होता तो फिर रखो ही मत ना.
डाल दिया उसे भी, हो गया, बात खत्म हो गई.
Okay.
But
Hmm.
talking about the Mercedes AMG GT3,
Hmm.
the car that is being used is based on the old platform of the AMG GT. We
Right.
have a new AMG GT on the roads.
Right.
And now Mercedes announced a new GT3. So
Okay.
from the next season,
Hmm.
this car that Max raced
Hmm.
will not be there. In 2027, there will be a new GT3 car.
The Mercedes GT3.
Yes, Mercedes AMG GT3.
Hmm.
ठीक है. Now on the basis of that car,
Hmm.
they are building a new AMG GT Black Series.
Okay.
Now the Black Series has been a limited edition run for all the AMG models.
Right.
It has been the most collectible modern Mercedes ever.
But what makes the Black Series a collectibles item?
So first, let me give you a history of the models that had some Black Series cars.
Hmm.
The SLS AMG had a Black Series. The CLK had it. The SL had it. The SLK had it. So all their performance versions used to have a Black Series. The Black
Right.
Series is basically more track focus. More
Hmm.
performance, better aerodynamics, better suspension, better brakes,
Right.
weight saving, so on and so forth.
Right.
And the Black Series is the epitome of Mercedes' performance.
Okay.
The AMG GT is their top dog car.
Hmm.
So an AMG GT Black Series is the
Top of the line. Best of the best.
best performance modern Mercedes you can buy.
Okay.
जो पुराने वाली है,
But this is not only for track. This you
is
can.
a road legal.
It is road legal.
The GT3 is only track only.
Correct.
But the road legal version is the AMG GT Black Series.
Hmm.
जो पुरानी वाली है, जो बाजार में बिक रही है सेकेंड हैंड मार्केट में,
Hmm.
anywhere between 1.4 million to 2.2 million dirhams की बिक रही है.
Okay.
Depending on how much it has been driven and so on and so forth.
Right.
The 2.2 million was the one that they gave with the AMG 1.
Correct.
तो सेम मैचिंग लिवरी में उन्होंने दी थी.
Right.
So that is the one 2.2 million. ठीक, उसको हटा के, but below that, all the cars are being sold at a massive markup.
Right.
So it's a proper collectible, and that is going to be coming out end of this year or sometime in summer.
Right.
Somewhere in the middle of this year, towards the end of this year, they will be bringing it out for public to see and buy.
Okay. Awesome. Now, going from the AMG GT Black Series, let's go to another AMG,
Okay.
Mr. Toto Wolff.
Yeah, that photo was too funny, man.
He was just epic. And he said the old gang in that photo.
Yeah.
So you had Toto Wolff, you had George Russell,
Yeah.
you had Valtteri Bottas,
Huh.
and you had Lewis Hamilton.
Correct.
And Toto Wolff की wife and Russell की girlfriend.
बेचारी क्या, बेचारा किमी को क्या हो गया यार?
He was the hero of that night.
Exactly.
If I remember correctly, Chinese Grand Prix के बाद में आ रहा था.
तू अलाउड नहीं है.
मतलब उसी को भूल गए जो आपको एक्चुअली में मतलब पोडियम फिनिश दिलवा. It was like, bro.
क्यों भेदभाव ऐसा?
हाँ. And also, it's kind of like going with your ex अपनी बीवी के साथ में to another place, right?
But you saw that video in qualifying, right?
Yeah.
Where Hamilton, Kimi, and Russell came in the top 3 cars
Correct.
qualifying में. And he's like, all 3 of our guys, all 3 of our drivers, doesn't matter what car they are driving, सब मेरे ही है.
I like his attitude, by the way.
मेरा हक से उसने
He's interesting. Now, apparently, he's thinking कि मैं अपना AMG के अंदर I'll increase my share in the whole team.
in the team, yeah.
In the team itself. So there are chances कि he might be increasing. या फिर they might be getting somebody else to invest in Mercedes as well.
चल रहा है भाई, चला दे तो. काहे के लिए उंगली कर रहे हो सब लोग?
I like the way that he does his business. I like the way that he performs, and I like the way he is strategizing and playing games with the Ferrari guys.
Yeah, that is true. I love that.
He's very smart.
सबको तंग करने में लगा पड़ा है.
उंगलबाजी करने में भैया सबसे आगे.
क्योंकि क्रिस्टियन हॉर्नर नहीं है ना, उसको अटेंशन उसका ग्रैब करने के लिए, उसको डिस्ट्रैक्ट रखने के लिए, उसको लाइक कीप हिम बिजी.
He's coming back.
He's coming back.
He's coming back for sure. He's coming back.
With whom?
You never know. और Audi वाले ने resign कर दिया ना?
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
Yeah.
He resigned already.
He's
एक रेस
resigned
is
already. 2 races के अंदर he's resigned already. And
But-
there are chances that that guy might be going to our Aston Martin, friends at Aston Martin.
है?
क्योंकि Newey is like कि मेरा हो गया, मैं ऐसा नहीं कर
अच्छा?
सकता टीम प्रिंसिपल, इतना दिमाग I have to be a designer first. I'll
हाँ.
be a team principal बाद में. But right now, I want to focus only on being a designer. So
Basically, हमसे
there
ना हो
might
पाएगा.
be, yeah, there might be quite a lot of things happening in the coming season.
Okay, let's see what happens.
Yeah.
Good season for Drive to Survive.
I know. This weekend is the Japanese Grand Prix, so let's see क्या होता है.
Absolutely. But continuing with the racing topic, we have the world's most expensive horse race happening in Dubai this
Yes.
weekend.
Yes.
Right?
The prize pool is $30.5 million.
क्या मजाक कर रहा है?
That's the complete prize
30
pool.
million dollar.
0.5 भी है.
0.5.
30.5 million.
भाई, 0.5 चिंदी चोरी नहीं करते भाई. राउंड ऑफ करके 31 करते हो ना. तो पर वो उसका वीडियो देखा, the one that in which they were escorting the horses.
Yeah.
You saw that video, right?
Right.
आगे
Right.
वो मैंसरी कलिनन है,
Yes.
दुबई पुलिस की, पीछे बेंटेगा है दुबई
Yeah.
पुलिस की.
That's Dubai, bro.
At that hour, like वो वीडियो देख के मेरे को जो खुशी हुई, मतलब हाँ भाई,
That's
ये हमारा
Dubai.
घर है.
I remember इस दुबई आने से पहले the only time I used to see horses were शादियों के अंदर.
चढ़ाया भूत नहीं के, हाँ वो
घोड़ी किसने चढ़ाया? Yeah. So if you guys are interested in watching any of this, Maidan is the place to go. Dubai Racing, that's one thing you should not be missing out. Somebody, that's it for us. This is Gary Maro aapke liye right here on City 1016. We'll see you in the next one. Take care and have an amazing week ahead.
Bye bye, have fun and stay safe.
City 1016.